All right. We back. Quick styling tips. This not gonna be long. We're gonna do a full head quick pixie. She's been previously cut. We definitely always keep our clients and those women on the go. We keep them free from having to do too much because we cut it. We cut it in with intention to make it easy, to make a easy on the go look. And as you can see, um, I haven't even put any curls in it, you guys. And I don't have to do nothing. She was just asking, what do I do if it goes flat? If it goes flat, get you a comb similar to this, some type of styling comb, and comb it and design it. Take those nails. I'm sure you guys will, maybe not as long as mine, but you can take your nails and style it and add a little spray. I'm not going to spray it now, but this is one of my favorites. Everything we have in the salon, you can use it at home because we have it on the shelves. Even we have our flat irons back to those that always purchase your flat irons. They're back in the salon. Reach out if you would like your hair as well as watch this quick. We're going to say quick. I don't take long in the salon, you guys. My clients come to me because they love to pay for convenience. They are paying for convenience. It's not a lot of people. She's in here by herself. We were just live with other clients, and they're already gone. They weren't even in here 50 minutes, and we definitely got them right. And we're going to get this client right as well. This pixie style, very common. You guys can go on any channel, looking on Pinterest or even Instagram, and you can see a pixie cut similar to this. We're not putting any flips or anything. It's going to be a full uniform with a fuller bang. We kept her bang long. And like I told you guys, these are my favorite. These are my favorite. I do have other flat irons, but we finally have our battlers back in the salon. So if you need your hair, you better get them while it's going. It's Freedom Week. It's Juneteenth. We celebrating women getting their freedom back with the best and the most easiest haircut ever. And that's going to be a pixie, you guys. That's going to be a pixie. You want to have easy mornings to go to work, to get the kids together. Those are the type of haircuts I like to perform. And of course, my clients. We have military clients. We have moms on the go. We have at-home moms, even local professionals with their own business, and they like easy peasy hair. So if you're online and you haven't gotten that flat iron, or most important, got your freedom cut, that's what you're going to have to get. The freedom cut is going on all week. You can book, you can send me a DM, whatever you would like to do all week, in celebration of freedom, celebration of women knowing they can wear short hair regardless their profession, as well as wear easy hair so they can stay on the go looking conservative and chic. That's what we provide here. And all week long, don't wait till the last minute. When all the flat irons are sold, we got some over on the shelf, we got some in the back in stock. And of course, we're going to have our favorite hairspray. That's that bed head. I love it, you guys. I've been using it since 2006. So evidently, it hasn't failed me yet. We've been doing this thing 20 years, you guys, so please feel free to reach out. Get that freedom cut. Oh, you like that, Sean? Yeah, that freedom cut is where it's gonna be the deal. If you've been sick and tired of that hair hot with that hair on top of your head, get you a freedom cut. And I'm gonna tell you again, it's the thing to do because it's convenient, and if it's cut right, you're able to style with ease. That's our purpose of sharing on this live. This is a new client. We definitely, she's already back, you guys. And this is going to be that client that you won't see her face. So I do have to finish this cut and, this curl. And we want to give everybody shots out. Get your freedom cut. Yes, freedom cut for Juneteenth. We got to get free. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter if they have relaxed. It doesn't matter if you are natural. A haircut goes a long way. You don't just have to get a short pixie haircut. You can get a natural haircut. You guys missed the platinum wave on a natural. Oh my G. Because guess what? What happened? My phone went out. Somebody cashed out. We're going to need the phone now. But the phone went out. Actually, it has full of storage. I don't need a phone. Let me take it back, Lord. It'll be nice, though, to get that 13. But until then, we're going to see if we're still able to get that footage because I had to think fast. And I asked my client, do you mind? Let me record this ending. And when I post it, man, those that haven't been following the salon page, go follow I Am Courtney Salon ASAP. Because we have some new things going on with the salon. And especially for this week, Juneteenth celebration, it's going down with the freedom cut. So this is some free game on quick styling. I told you what tools I like to use, what styling products, and also I told you you don't have to be relaxed. You can be natural as well. See you later, guys. Freedom cut styling here in Mississippi. Peace out.